Hello, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix you discover the premium feature on Spotify. Now, if you've been seeing this error message on your Spotify app, then you need to watch this video to the end to know how to simply solve that. Now, this error message could actually pop up on your Spotify app if you tap or access features reserved for Spotify users. It can also be due to a sync issue, corrupted cache, or mismatch in your account country or your current location. So in order for you to actually fix this is what you need to do. So on your device just like this is what you simply need to do. You need to simply go to your Spotify app like this. Now the first step you need to take here in order to fix this error message is to try to log out from your Spotify app by going to your settings like this and click on log out. You can see that at the bottom of your screen. Now once you click on that, you'll be able to log out from your Spotify app. This is the first way you can actually fix this problem. So if you're having this error message in your Spotify app, you need to log out and log in like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go to your device settings like this. So when you go to your device settings like this, you need to scroll gently and click on apps. You can see that option right here. So when you do that, looking here, you'd be able to see the list of the apps you have on your device. So you need to go ahead and click on the search button and search for Spotify because you simply want to fix an issue on Spotify. So I'm going to click on Spotify like this and click on storage. You can see that option right here. So you simply need to go ahead and clear your cache and storage. So if after clearing the app cache and data, yet the problem is not yet fixed, this is what you can simply do. You can go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall the app back, or you can go ahead and offload the app if you are using an iPhone device. So these are going to help you to fix this problem. Now let's say that did not actually fix the problem. After doing all that, you can simply go back to your Spotify app like this. That is what you need to do. Let's say you are playing a music from a specific playlist. You can try to change the playlist you are playing the music from. It is actually going to help to fix that problem as well. Or you can simply go to your profile like this, click on your profile, then go ahead and check your premium feature to check if you are still using the premium you actually subscribed to, and check if that is actually your Spotify account you use in subscribing to the premium package on Spotify. Or you can simply go to your settings like this, your settings and privacy. Right here on your settings and privacy, you need to go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click on about and support. So when you click on that, right here at the bottom, you can see where it says support. So you need to go ahead and click on that like this. So when you click on that like this, you can simply go ahead and tell Spotify the issue you are facing, and they are going to help you to fix that issue on your Spotify account. So these are the few steps you can actually take in order to fix you discover the premium feature on Spotify. Hope you found this video helpful, because you've come to the very end of this video. Now do to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.